Indonesia is a true melting pot of cultures. With over 17,000 islands and 300 ethnic groups, each region boasts its unique traditions, languages, and cuisine. Come, dear reader, and let's embark on a journey to discover the unbelievable wonders of this captivating archipelago. Bali, the island of gods. It's no surprise that Bali tops the list for many travelers to Indonesia. And why wouldn't it? Imagine powdery white sand beaches lapped by turquoise waters. Picture yourself lounging in a hammock, the gentle sea breeze whispering secrets through palm trees. But Bali is more than just beaches. Venture inland, and you'll find emerald green rice terraces cascading down hillsides. Ancient temples like Uluwatu, perched dramatically on a clifftop, offer breathtaking views and spiritual solace. And don't forget the Balinese people themselves, known for their warmth, hospitality, and infectious smiles. Now let's journey to Java, home to the magnificent Borobudur Temple. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a testament to Indonesia's rich history and architectural prowess. Picture this: a colossal pyramid-like structure adorned with intricate carvings and hundreds of Buddha statues. Built in the 9th century, Borobudur is the world's largest Buddhist temple. As you climb its tiers, you'll be treated to stunning panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. The temple's intricate reliefs tell stories from Buddhist scriptures, inviting contemplation and reflection. A visit to Borobudur is a truly awe-inspiring experience, one that will stay with you long after you've left.